Hey guys, welcome to another awesome tutorial of Code Artist, and today we are going to see a beautiful floating ball menu. Okay, and after that I will explain the full code from first line to last line, so do not miss the code part. Do not just blindly copy and paste the code part. I will provide the GitHub link for that code file. So do not just copy and paste that link. I will tell you how to copy, where to copy, what to not. Okay, so I will tell you according to that you will copy. Okay, and give a good look to your project. Okay, so I will show you what we are going to see today. After that I will explain the code. Yeah, I have already opened that to avoid any wastage of timing. So this is my project which we are going to see today. Okay, this is the floating ball menu. If you click on the icons like profile icons, notification icon, camera icon, see the ball how it is floating. It is awesome animated effect. You can give a better look to your project with this project. Okay, and see, and guys, one more thing, I am just presenting this project. I'm not presenting it combined with any other project. So I kept a color, like I kept a gradient color, I kept the background color light bluish. So if you are using, definitely you are going to use it in your project. So make sure to customize these all things according to your project. Okay, like if you are using some dark theme in your project, so make sure to customize this menu bar according to your project. And these icons, this color gradient, it's not necessary that you should also use this color gradient. You can also use the simple color like white color, black color, or any other color as your that suit your project. Okay, if you just kept a default color, it will not make a good effect in your project, and your project will not going to good make a good look. Okay, so make sure to customize these all things, and also change these icons. If you are not using this profile icon in your project, not notification icon in your project, just replace it. I will show you where to replace, and just place it icons which you are going to use in your project. Okay, and by default when you refresh the page, I set it on the home page. Like you will see that when I refresh the page, it is automatically on the home's icon. You can also by default place it on the any another icon like notification icon, camera icon, logout icon. So it is not necessary that it always be on the home page, home icon. Okay, and after that guys, okay, let's see, I will explain the full code to you, and after that we'll close the video. And guys, one more thing, if you think I'm providing some good content to you, so please support my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so without any wastage of timing, I will show you the full code. I will explain. Yeah, here is the code, and in my project, in my case, I am using react icons for the icons. Like you saw these icons like home icons, profile icon, notification icon. For these icons, I am using react icons. Okay, so you can also go through with react icons, and if you think react icons are taking too much space in your project, and you're making your website slow, in normal cases it is not. So you can go through with react icons. Otherwise you can download any SVG or any other icons. Okay, so it is not necessary to you should also use react icons. You can go through any other icons. Okay, and here is the full project. Like I kept these icons here. These are the icons, a outline, these all are the icons. You can also replace these icons from whatever you are using in your project. Okay, here I defined a function. There's a handle item click function. Like this function, when you click over it, the ball float over these icons. Okay, so these all the this is the project, this is the code, this is JSS code. Okay, you can you don't need to copy from here. I will provide the source code file in the description. And after that I will show you, this is the JSS code, you can see. And after that it is the it is a CSS file code. Okay, from here I will show you. I commented out it. Okay, so just copy and paste it in your project, and comment in this code. Okay, and I will show you this full code to you. Okay, this is the full code. You don't need to copy from my video. I'll provide the source file. This I will provide this file code only, okay, not my whole project. Okay, I will provide this file code only. You can copy and paste this JSX code in your project component code, and in index.css or any other css particular file, you just copy and paste my this code. Okay, and if you want to change the height and width of the project, you can change this from here, navigation height and width, and UL icons, everything you can change. I think you are a fresher or a beginner, you can easily do this. It's not necessary, it's not a big task for anyone. Okay, it's easy to customize these all things according to your project. Just change the color, just change the height, just change the icons, and make a better look to your project from my videos. Okay, so that's end for today, guys. That's end for today. Okay, thanks a lot.